a burble, isn't it? That sound just burbles along. It's a lovely smooth way. The gear shifting is just so sublime. You hear it click, but you don't feel it much. So easy to shift gears on this. I never miss a gear, but occasionally I go looking for an extra gear at the top. I'm in 6th and out on the open road where you've gone up through the gearbox and not looking at your dash. Sometimes I will go for another gear up on top, because it is geared fairly lowly in comparison to the Z900 or the Z900, depending where you're from. But very rarely do I'm in a situation where I'm in top gear for a long time, because I prefer the windy, quieter country roads with lots of corners and hills and things, so I'm always changing up and down, so I'm not cruising at a high speed very often like in top gear. My touring bikes for that. For being out on the road in top gear and whacking the cruise control on and doing that sort of thing. This is not the bike that I choose to do that. That's not the reason I bought this bike. So I guess if you were doing a lot of that, you probably would like a longer top gear. But the low and middle end, the amount of torque in this is just perfect. For want of a better word, I know I say that word a fair bit, but it's just exquisite. It's a good way to describe this bike. Exquisite. Gives me a lot of enjoyment. I'll never grow tired of it. All we need now is a tunnel to go through so you can hear that exhaust bore. Looking at the temperature, we've just hit 30 degrees, so it is going to get fairly warm this afternoon. They're predicting about 31 to 33 today, probably 33 to 35 tomorrow, so we are finally getting some summer days. And summer nights. We haven't had any of those real balmy, hot, humid nights yet, which are difficult to sleep. Use that word summer nights, it reminds me of a song. I think you can probably guess which one. I'm not going to sing for you. Not today, anyway.